This is the Eura Mobil Integra 760. I'm going to show it to you in two versions, provided I can get into both of them, of course. The Queen bed version, and there's the German layout version. But as I like the Queen bed the best, I'm going in the Queen bed first. And so this thing here, in this condition, is going to cost 127,090 euros. Base price 105,830, and other details put on a 4.5 ton basis, 789 centimeters, width 232, height 292. Now, tractor van to be on the go for a while. Supposed to put gloves on, and I haven't got any gloves. Maybe I could have brought some. Obviously, you don't want paw marks all over the place in here, and that stands to reason. So, what can I say about this rather attractive van? Now, it has been on the go for some time, as I said, and the reason I say that is because you should be able to get one now on the second-hand market, should you be so interested. There you go, that's what it looks like. Under storage in the double floor, which I can't show you because the carpet's down there to protect the van during this event, because if you've got a van that costs a huge six-figure sum, then you'll want to protect it. There's the shower, and through here we've got this glazed decoration effect on the door there, and which you can see in other Eura Mobil vans. Toilet has a window, and oh, whilst I'm standing here, I want to show you how much headroom there is. Look at that, huge amount of headroom there. Of course, if the bed isn't big enough, the Queen bed, then you know, to get a German layout, which we'll have a look at shortly. Here, modern. I mean, the lighting is great. Molded sink. Yeah, lovely. There's a big fat fridge there, three-way fridge. Mind you though, for this type of money, you really would expect something pretty luxurious. It's on a Fiat. Oh, go to the garage as well, demonstrate how big that is, so you can get, oh, I forgot to say that the bed goes up and down. Can't really see in that, can you? There you go. So you can see any better? No, you can't. Yeah, how about that? Still can't, never mind. There's a 12 volt plug in there. There's also somewhere a mains plug as well, and there you can see the double floor. Possibly, no, you can't see the double floor because it's too dark, but there is a double floor down there. Right, so we'll go over to the next one, which is beside it. What I don't understand is it seems as though seems to be a bit higher, this one here. Integrated 760. Okay, this one's on the tag axle, that's the first thing. And this is 132,000 and 4.5 tons again, 789, 232, 292 in height. And then you can see the double floor. That's what the height will be of it. And there's things down here as well to hide your other stuff. Toilet's the same. So it's asking for people to be of the same household when they visit, and right, so we've got the Integra Ice HS. This 132,000 it costs. So I'll give you the details first. The details are the same. It's 4.5 tons. This one here is the Eura Mobil, the line F2, and you see your bed's down here. You put your seats down like that, and the bed will go up and down electronically. Put the lights on. Not that makes much difference. You can close this off here. And the idea of this is a lounge on wheels, big lounge at the back, plenty of space up here, the range, I mean that's great. Well, this thing here is broken, so I'm not going to force it. Yeah, that's got jammed. There you go. Very heavy. Whatever you call that, the cover. Now they've sort of changed this because it was a bit different last year, because that was here. So that has been changed. Let's see if this works. Because when I did this last time at Dusseldorf, it didn't. Not Dusseldorf, it was at Stuttgart. It didn't work. Let's see if it's been fixed. There you go. Now, so that worked out, but did it work back to go back in again? Because I published it, it jammed. Okay, that one works, but one thing I'd like to point out is this. Is that really necessary to be electronic? I understand the bed is, but you know, having things like that, that's just one thing to go wrong unnecessarily. And I agree, it's a bigger problem if the bed goes wrong. But if that goes wrong, then I mean, it's pointless having a motor. Now you got really exquisite panels on the covers, or the covers, and you got that all the way around. It's got a lovely feel to it, but I'd have to say that the Carthago or the Hymer is at the same price. Really impresses me far more. And if they said you can have any one you want, this wouldn't be the first choice. I mean, Francia does it, Concorde does it. There's probably other companies that do it. I can't think of the names off the top of my head, but it's a common enough layout now. But this one, it's not the same as the Francia. It's not Francia. The Hymer. Death left it first. Yeah, magic fridge opens the other way as well. Right, so there you've got the Integra. $760. You've got a lot of cash. You can get one of these ones here, $890, but you have to see it on a different film. And great. So there you have it. 760 HS, 760 EB, and 760 queen bed. Here, I'll just finish with a view of this one here. So, thanks very much for watching. All the best from Dusseldorf.